Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty crazy day on this one. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price gap down was all the way down here and then did, work its way back upwards. However, this does kind of fit perfectly into what I've talked about in previous videos, and that is that there can be all sorts of drama, but the drama really doesn't matter when the price is staying up above the overall trend, which is defined by this green line here, which I put into play in a previous video. So what I'm gonna do is just extend that out, because as long as the price stays above that area, then everything's still perfectly fine. And I would definitely consider today pretty drama filled. I mean, pretty crazy when you stop and think about the fact that the price gapped down, started to drop down there, and then all of a sudden recovered back upwards all the way up there to, then pull back again. So a whole lot of drama, but again, because all that was occurring above that trend line, then assuming you care about the big picture point of view, everything is still perfectly fine. Now, there is perspective that goes into it, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 5 minutes, well, from that perspective, then yeah, the chart's looking bad for you. But again, assuming you do care about the grand scheme of it all, the price certainly was everywhere today, but it stayed above that green line, and therefore, you got to still give the advantage to the bulls as far as the overall trend is concerned. As far as levels of resistance, the level that's really made itself apparent now, actually, let me squeeze on the chart. I'm curious, is this coming back? Is there any other history around this area? And yeah, it looks like there is. So the area of resistance right here, definitely at the 2650 area. So you go through the history of the chart, and you can see right there, presented a problem, and then once again today presented a problem. So 2650 will be public enemy number one moving forward. So those are really the two main technical areas. You have the main technical area of the support trend line right there. Then you have the main technical area of resistance up there at 2650. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.